Hello everyone, Alex here. Have you ever wanted to start your own YouTube channel, but feel that the process is too daunting? Well, this video will show you the process of starting your own channel, customizing it, and posting your first video, from someone who is doing it for the first time, just like you might be. Moving forward, this video will probably be part of a short series that focuses on the behind-the-scenes working of YouTube, and how to grow and customize a channel. Join me and let's grow our channels together. So, when you start your channel, you'll be taken to your YouTube homepage, as shown here. To get to your channel, you can click on the icon in the top right corner of your screen. Here, you will see a list of options, such as Your Channel, YouTube Studio, or Switch Account. For the purposes of this video, which focuses on posting your first video, the best way to do this is by clicking on YouTube Studio. Here, as a content creator, you can manage your videos and playlists, interact with your audience, view your video analytics, and so much more. So now we are ready to post a video. To post a video, you will want to select the Create button in the top right corner of your screen, and then select Upload Videos. Here, you can either drag and drop your video file into the window or select a file from your computer. So now we see the video details page, where you can edit the video title, description, etc. You'll also see down here in the bottom left corner of this pop-up, a progress bar for your video. So let's go through this one at a time. So first you can edit the title of the video, followed by the video description. So following editing the title and the video description, we can upload our thumbnail for our viewers to see. And by doing that, you just click the upload thumbnail here, and select the image. Then you can select a playlist to add your video to. I will be making a playlist and showing you all some advanced channel customizations in one of my next videos in this series. Next, you'll need to select whether this video is made solely for kids or not, and any age restrictions that you'd like to place on this video. Next, you can click on More Options, and we'll go through these one by one. So there's paid promotions here. As a starting YouTuber or content creator, you probably won't have any, so you shouldn't need to click this at the beginning. And then you can add tags to your video. These are words or short phrases that may help others find your content, but it's not a major factor, as the notes say here. Between each tag, you'll want to add a comma to separate the tags from the next. And then, as you can see, you can remove any tags by clicking on the X here. After adding a couple of tags, you can select what language you've recorded in, as well as the caption certificate. I will most likely default to the first option here. This content has never aired on television in the US. Next, you can add the recording date and location of your video if you wish. Following the recording date and location, you have the option to edit your license and distribution, which as new content creators we do not need to worry about. Next, we will be able to choose a category for our video. There are a variety of categories as seen here, such as music, gaming, education, and science and technology. For the purposes of this video, which is my science demonstration video, episode 1, I'm going to be choosing science and technology. However, education is also an equally acceptable choice. At this point in your YouTube career, it doesn't really matter what you select. Just make sure that you have a semi-appropriate one. And then lastly, we will select our comments and ratings. So there's a few options for each. So for the comments, I'm going to choose the first option, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, and then you can sort those comments by either the top or the newest. And I'm just going to go by top. And lastly, you'll be able to choose whether your audience can see how many viewers liked or disliked your video. And I'm going to leave that on. So now I will click on Next to move on to the Video Elements page. Here we can either add an end screen or a card to our video. Each of these can promote your content or someone else's within your video. You'll likely have seen this if you've watched other YouTube videos before, where cards appear as a white sliding box in the top right corner of the video, or the end screen, is at the end of the video and puts a couple of their videos up on the screen for you to click on. Since you will generally need other content to promote from yourself, I'm going to skip this for now and cover it in a future video in this series. Clicking on Next, we move on to the visibility section. Here you can choose how to post your videos. For this video, I'm going to be selecting public, however not choosing an instant premiere. Since I do not need to see this with my viewers, I'm just going to post it so that way I get it out as soon as possible and people can start watching it. Also, below we can schedule our video for a later date. For example, the video I'm posting here, the science demos, will be scheduled to release the next day, Wednesday, December 30th at noon. And then you'll want to select your time zone. So for me it would be Eastern Standard Time, so I am going to choose Toronto. And lastly, when you see that this bar says that it's finished processing, meaning that your video is completely uploaded to the site, you can hit the schedule or the post button, depending on how you have it set up. And then your video will be posted. So, if you found this video helpful and want to see more of this content, please like and subscribe to my channel. It would go a long way in helping out myself as a new content creator. Good luck with making your own YouTube videos, and I look forward to seeing them. Stay tuned for more videos in this series. Bye everyone.